Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to do some more problems of binomial theorem. In the previous class we did the problems of infinite series. Let us go for the continuation problems. The next question is, if the coefficients of four consecutive terms. The another question is, if the coefficients of four consecutive terms in the expansion of terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n or 1 plus x whole power n or a1, a2, a3, a4 respectively. a1, a2, a3, a4 respectively. Then show that a naught by a1 by a1 plus a2, a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4, a3 plus a4 equal to 2a2 by a2 plus a3, 2a2 by a2 plus a3. Let us see. Question is, if the coefficients of four consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are a1, a2, a3, a4 respectively, then show that a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4 equal to 2a2 by a2 plus a3. Let us see the solution. Take the expansion of, consider the expansion 1 plus x whole power n equal to, what is it, nc0 plus nc1x, okay, plus nc2 x square, nc3 x cube, nc4 x power 4 and so on. Okay, so c0 plus c1x, c2x square, c3x cube, c4x4 like that. Suppose let us take the four consecutive terms. First take four consecutive terms as nc1, nc2, nc3, nc4. Take like that. Suppose let the four consecutive, let the coefficients of four consecutive terms, coefficients of four consecutive terms, as like this. Take them as like this: nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3, nc4. What are given? These terms are given as a1, a2, a3, a4. Given A1 equal to NC1, A2 equal to NC2, A3 equal to NC3 and A4 equal to NC4. Here we are going to show as like this: A1 by A1 plus A2 plus A3 by A3 plus A4 equal to 2A2 by A2 plus A3. Consider LHS. Take LHS part A1 by A1 plus A2 plus A3 by A3 plus A4. Take LHS part and substituting the values. We know A1 value how much? NC1 by NC1 plus NC2 plus A3 value NC3 by NC3 plus NC4. We are going to simplify it as like this. Understand? We are going to simplify the value as like this. Okay? Now the simplification as, now NC1 value is N by NC1 value is N. NC2 value is N into N minus 1 by factorial 2. Understand? Plus NC3 value is N into N minus 1 N minus 2. N into N minus 1 N minus 2 by, okay, same thing, N into N minus 1 N minus 2 by factorial 3 by factorial 3 plus NC4 value N into N minus 1 N minus 2 N minus 3 by factorial 4. Understand? Now what is get common here? In denominator n get common, the remaining is 1 plus n minus 1 by factorial 2 value is 2 only. Plus here what is get common? N into n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus by factorial 3. Okay. Here what is get common? Let us see. Okay. N into n minus 1 n minus 2 by factorial 3 get common, 1 plus, what is remaining? N minus 3 by factorial 3 get common means remaining 4 only. Understand? So n get cancel here total get cancel. What are remaining? Take them as 1 by LCM 2 plus n minus 1 here plus 1 by LCM 4 here 4 plus n minus 3. Understand? What will come? This 2 comes to numerator, 2 by n plus 1. This is 4 by n plus 1. Totally what will come here? 6 by n plus 1 came LHS value. Let us go for RHS as like this. Let us see what will come for RHS. Okay. Now the RHS is as like this: 2A2 by A2 plus A3. 2A2 by A2 plus A3. This is RHS. 2 into A2 value NC2 by NC2 plus NC3. We are going to simplify it as like this. 2 into NC2 value n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 whole by n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by factorial 3. Factorial this is can be taken as 2 into n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 all by what is get common here? N into n minus 1 by factorial 2 get common in denominator. Here all total term get common, so take 1 plus here n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 get common. The remaining n minus 2 by 3 only, because factorial 2 get common. Factorial 2 into 3 is equal to factorial 3. This can be taken as like this, understand? Okay, this can, here what is get cancelled? This is get cancelled. What is remaining? 2 by all by, okay, LCM is 3 here. What will come? 3 plus n minus 2 will come here. Here denominator, in denominator no values means 1. This 3 comes to numerator by n plus 1. What will come here? 6 by n plus 1. What is happened here? LHS equal to RHS. What will come? We say that hence proved. Understand? Let us go for one more question as like this. Okay, the next question is okay, the next question, if the coefficients of, okay, if the coefficients of rth, r plus 1 and r plus 2th term, rth term, r plus 1th term and r plus 2 terms, r plus 2 terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, 1 plus x whole power n are in AP, then show that r square minus n square minus 4r plus 1 into n plus 4r square minus 2 equal to 0. Understand? Okay, let us see the solution. Listen, our question is, if the rth, r plus 1th and r plus 2 terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are in arithmetic progression. Listen. Then show that n square minus 4r plus 1 into n plus 4r square minus 2 equal to 0. Listen. In 1 plus x whole power n, rth term is r plus 1th term. R plus 1th term is tr plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r. Actually a power r formula NCR x power. What is x value here? This is in the form of x plus a whole power n. NCR x power n minus r, a power r, x power r. Understand? Okay. What will come here? tr plus 1 equal to NCR x power r. This is the r plus 1th term. In the same way, if required rth term, what we have to do here? Rth term equals to, take like this. We write it as t r minus 1 plus 1. This can be taken as nc r minus 1 x power r minus 1. Next, r plus 2 term. R plus 2 term is, take like this, t r plus 1 plus 1, nothing but NCR plus 1 x power r plus 1. This is r plus 2 terms. So, what is required? If the rth, r plus 1th, r plus 2 terms, if the coefficients of, listen, just if the coefficients of r plus, question is, if the coefficients of rth, r plus 1, r plus 2 terms in the expansion is are in AP. Now the coefficients of r plus 1, r plus 2 terms, rth, r plus 1th and r plus 2 terms, are, what are those? What is the coefficient of rth term? NC r minus 1. Next one, NC r. Next one, NC r plus 1. Understand? NC r plus 1. NCR minus 1, NCR plus 1 are in arithmetic progression. This is say A, B, C. If these three are in arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean is A plus C equal to 2B. Take like this. In the same way, we can taking as like this. The continuation solution is as, okay, A plus C, NC r minus 1 plus C, NC r plus 1, okay, equal to 2 into NCR. Understand? So, what will come here? We can taking as like this. NCR minus 1, NCR plus 1. We can do factorial n by as like this, we can taking as factorial n by n minus r minus 1 factorial, okay, 2 NCR as like this. Okay, this can be taken as NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus 1 by NCR equals to 2. Split the fraction, NCR minus 1 by NCR plus NCR plus 1 by NCR equal to 2. Okay. This can be written as taken as like this, 1 by NCR by NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus 1 by NCR equal to, we have the formula NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. Okay, this is 1 by n minus r plus 1 by r plus, this can be taken as n minus r plus 1 by r plus 1 equal to 2 by using the formula. It can be getting as like this, okay, r by n minus r plus 1 plus, that can be written as n minus r by r minus 1 plus 1 by r plus 1 equal to, get cancelled. What is LCM here? N minus r plus 1 into r plus 1 LCM. What will come in numerator? R into r plus 1 plus n minus r into n minus r plus 1. Okay? LCM. This can be numerator r into r plus 1 plus n minus r plus 1 equal to 2 into n minus r plus 1 into r plus 1. Open the brackets, r square plus r n square minus nr plus n minus nr plus r square minus r equals to nr, 2nr. Okay, next n, 2n, okay, minus r square minus 2r square minus r minus 2r, every term plus 2r plus 1 plus 2, okay, plus 2r get cancelled. What are remaining? Let us check them. Okay, r square, 2r square, okay, what will come here? Plus r minus r get cancelled, okay, minus 2nr plus n square, all terms take together, minus 2nr minus 2n plus 2r square minus 2 equal to 0. The finally will come as like this, okay, n square minus 2nr minus 2nr minus 4nr, okay, minus 4nr, okay, what will come here? Minus 2n minus 2 minus 2n minus 4nr minus n Okay, plus n minus n, left side minus 2nr plus n term is there. What will come here? Minus n plus 4r square minus 2 equals 0. It can be minus 4r plus 1 into n plus 4r square minus 2 equals 0. This is proved. The remaining we should continue in the next class. Understand?